Welcome back to Copenhagen Blue. So today I'm standing outside and it's 24 degrees. Normally I don't like working on cars in the cold, but in this case I'm willing to because it's about heat and I have no heat. No, it's not a heater core. It's, I think, a blend door actuator. I can get heat up there and I can get heat down here, but when I turn it onto panel, nothing, no bueno. So I think I need to put in a blend door actuator, and it's up in here somewhere. So I think we have to take down the glove box, and we're gonna see how much access we can gain to it, and hopefully I can have the warmth that I'm looking for on the way to work every day, because there's just something about that air coming out of those vents that I like a lot more than defrost and floor. But let's get started and see if we can get it done. We're gonna start with taking these little tabs out that apparently hold the glove box in. Okay, but that doesn't help me with the back ones. How do I get those undone? Does the other go really badly or perfect? We'll find out. I'm thinking that these things just clip in. Yeah, okay. So it's just like a big push pin. All right, let's get those out of the way. All right, well, with both of those out of the way, the whole glove box actually drops down and out. So we can set that to the side, which gives us better access down here. Now, ideally, I think what we want is kind of back here. I can, up in there, you see that red connector? That's, I think, the actuator that we want, hopefully. Now the question is, can we drop enough of this to get that out? Well, we're gonna have to play for a minute. Well, we pulled off the panel over here, which, once I realized that this is riveted, obviously this plastic piece isn't coming off. You can actually see the actuator is right there. Got my finger on it. So that's the actuator we have to take off. And you can see that there's the bolts right here. My hope is with the extension that we can reach those and get it out. And going in this way along here will hopefully be easier than trying to snake my hand up here and just, you know, cutting the shit out of it. What do you call that? Man, it's an extension. Oh, that's not an extension. That's an extension. This sucker's like, woo. Okay, hopefully this works. Let's give it a shot. Through the dash I go. I need a light. Light would be good here. Aziz, light! Aziz, light! Aziz, light. 8mm with an extension. Going for gold here. Ah, got one bolt undone. Shit. Okay, that's two. Oh, that's three. All right, so we've got our screws and our extension. We're just gonna leave there. Let's see. Let's see if we can get up here and get our actuator out. All right, so there's our actuator. We've got it dropped down. Let's see if that guy turns at all. It does turn. Oh, but it doesn't turn back. Okay. Okay, I can feel it now. Hear the, so that thing, but it was apparently not grabbing. I don't know why that wasn't twisting before. Maybe this one just doesn't have enough torque on it. I don't anymore. I don't know. Screw it. Let's put it in and see what happens. Just clicks in. Flat sides here, other flat sides here. I had to turn the knob and rotate the actuator so that it would line up with this properly. Did I just get it? I think I got it. Okay. Switch. Oh yeah. Cool. Now let's find a way to screw this stuff back in, because something tells me that's going to be super awesome. Nice. Ta freaking da. Got the screws on. Got the actuator replaced. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
That's what I'm talking about.
All right, well, that's going to do it for me. That took care of the problem. I have air coming out of my front vents again, which makes me happy. But I appreciate you taking the time to watch. Hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time.